Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more. In this experiment, we are going to observe the fascinating properties of a super-absorbent polymer called sodium polyacrylate. This is the same material used inside disposable diapers to keep them dry. In this practical, I will show you how quickly it absorbs water and what happens when we add salt. Here I have some sodium polyacrylate powder. It looks like ordinary white crystals. Then I have some water that I'm going to add. Watch closely. You can immediately see the powder turning into a gel. The polymer is absorbing the water and swelling. This occurs because water enters the polymer by the process of osmosis. The polymer contains negatively charged groups that attract water, causing the structure to expand. What do you think will happen when I add salt? Watch how the gel starts to collapse. So what the salt does is it reduces the osmotic gradient, so water leaves the polymer and it shrinks. This experiment shows that sodium polyacrylate absorbs a lot of water, but salt interferes with this process. That is why it absorbs less salt water or urine compared to pure water. Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.